Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the job pickup function on your Invisi-Tag app. Job pickup is for when a customer returns equipment or when you go and pick up equipment from a job site. This is basically when job dispatch and allocation come full circle and when the equipment is finally ready to pick up. So the first thing we're going to do is hit begin, and then we're going to go into jobs. Once we're in the job menu, we're going to go to job pickup. So what we're going to do is grab all the equipment from the house or from the job site and load it back onto the truck, and then we're going to select our job, which was Mrs. Smith. So once our RFID reader connects, we're going to scan our truck to make sure we have all of the equipment from this job site. And as you can see, we do. So now when the job ending comes up, we click OK. And this is where we get our dispatch job report. This report will show the job name, the dates and the times, the total amount of assets we have on our truck, and it has our asset name, the RFID number, the start time and end time, and the billing hours. Now every report saves as an Excel spreadsheet, and they are also accessible on your cloud network. Remember, if any of these assets were red, then you have to think to yourself, am I leaving this behind on purpose or did I accidentally forget it? This is how simple and easy it is to use the job pickup function in your Invisi-Tag app.